All right, folks. Well, we're finished. We've cleaned up. Got both the wheels cut, filed, sanded, cleaned up with the Scotch Brite pad on the sanding disc deal there. This 90-degree sander. We got a couple O-rings. These are old ones. I'm going to go to the hardware store and buy 6 new fine threaded cap screws, bolts, studs for 2 different hubs, and see if I can get flange nuts as well for mounting the tires, for airing up the tires. That way they can travel down the road bolted to, a hub in a trailer, and I'm not worried about the wheel coming apart if it isn't bolted, like a welded wheel. Just in case, if we're going to get more than one set of wheels, obviously, eventually. But there you go. That's I think that's about a 3.5-inch O-ring. It's pretty thick O-ring. I'm not sure if this is what it was for, but it's pretty tight on there. So, yeah, once we goob it all up with, I think I'm going to use that Bond, that gray stuff, because it's kind of thick and sticky, gooey, kind of like glue, and silicone, like the best of both. I really don't want to go with straight silicone because these wheels are going to get hot with the braking and the heat from the brakes getting sent through the hub and through the wheel. So there you go. Our tires will be here tomorrow. Looking more and more at the info for the Vega tires and stuff, even though I really don't want to do Vega tires. They really offer the most choice in not just compound, but in different sizes as well. So I'll be able to get the 6-inch wheel on the front, 6-inch bead, and also on the rear using their 650 tire. So I don't know why we're bothering with the Hoosiers this week. I mean, the Hoosiers are even more expensive than the Vega. So I guess I like being different. That's why we run the Vortex engine instead of a TM or a Pavese or whatever, because we want to be different. We want to do it our way, and our way isn't following along with everybody else. It's doing the opposite. So we'll see. I may not even mount the 710 5-inch Hoosiers that are coming. We may just go ahead and test these. I kind of got talked into doing that 5-inch thing right away, when really we're just going out to test. We didn't really need four tires, and they're different compounds anyway. The rears are R70s, harder tire on the back than the front. So we may end up keeping those, selling them off to somebody. Who knows? I don't know. We probably won't run them this weekend though. So that's where we're at. Everything worked out really well. They look really good. We put them on and indexed them half to each, and then with the valve stem to the light side of what we already know with the rotor and hub together. It's already marked because we balanced that first. So that's it. We're going to run out to the old neighborhood. We got a real nice hardware store out there, Ace Hardware out there, that has a lot of hot rod guy stuff, custom nuts and bolts that you don't find at the regular Ace Hardware. So we're going to go get us some O-rings and some nuts and bolts, and it's not even lunchtime yet. It's not even noon. Puffy's out here getting at it early. So that's it. We'll bring you some more. Wheels look pretty good at this point. We'll bring you some more once you get the tires on them. Love y'all. Take care.